right now I want to put it inside this place. This is the plug. I removed this plug from here. Now, first of all, I will put it here in this manner. Now it's connected. Now it's here. I want to put it inside. You will see. I will open the door. I will try to put it inside. No. It is a barrier that didn't let this place, didn't let the refrigerator to go more inside. Okay, I try. From here, please, take a photo from here, show my hand. I want to try a lot to put it inside. It seems that it is inside, but you will see that it's not possible to go inside. It's due to this barrier. Show here, please. You will see it's not possible. Show me, please. Okay, and now I want to put it. See, this is the hole, and this is this hole. It's the orange up together. It's just due to this barrier. It didn't let it to go further, this barrier. Okay. I will show again. And it. See, look at here, please. This barrier didn't let it go further. Can you show this here, please? Okay, it couldn't go further due to this barrier. This barrier. Okay, thank you.